In this video, I want to compare 3 popular vacuum cleaners, 2 Dyson models and 1 Shark model, and tell you some of the differences between these models. Now, on the left side here, we've got the Shark. This is the Shark IZ163H. In the middle, we've got the Dyson V12 Detect Slim, and on the right side, we got the Dyson V15. On the right, we got the Dyson V15. So, first, just going over a little bit of the difference between a Shark and a Dyson. Most of the Dysons are going to have a trigger that you're going to hold down the whole time. The exception to that I know of is this Dyson V12 Detect Slim. It actually just has a power button, which is similar to the Shark. Some people like the trigger, some people don't. The negative of triggers, you got to hold down the whole time. The positive is you can let go and it'll turn off to conserving your battery power. Shark models that I've seen, most of them do have just an on-off switch here. You can slide it to low power or high power, and they do have a trigger that's going to give you like boost mode for like super power. One of the things that I look for in a vacuum cleaner is the ability to handle hair, whether that be pet hair or human hair, and these all do that very well. Not all Shark models do that, in my opinion, but the ones that I like are the ones that have these silicone fins, and they're designed to handle the hair. So this one is the Rocket Pet Pro, so it's designed to handle the hair. They have this fluffy optic head, which I'll talk about in a minute, but the head that I traditionally use on these is the head more like this that comes with it also, and these are going to be great at not getting the hair tangled up in it. This is more for the dust. Of course, you can easily swap that out. Other difference in Shark and Dyson: Sharks typically you might lean them up against the wall. This one actually fold in half and charge them that way, where the Dysons are made to hang on the wall to charge. This particular Shark model is rated for a 40-minute runtime. Both of these are rated at a 60-minute runtime, the 2 Dysons. Now that goes significantly down on any of the models when you put it in a higher power. Both of these Dysons have an LED screen, so if I turn it on here, it's going to come up with an LED screen, and you've got 3 modes. You got Eco, Auto, and Boost mode. So the Auto is going to just determine the amount of power you need based on the surface you're cleaning, and it's going to tell you how much runtime you have left. Eco runtime is where you're going to get up to 60 minutes. If you go to Boost, it's going to be cut down significantly. Auto is also cut down from the maximum runtime. Personally, I find the Eco mode to be fine if you're just cleaning hardwood floors. If you go on carpet and you want to go to one of the higher powers, or just put it in Auto and let it figure out how much power it needs on its own. Let me talk to you a little bit about the Detect head, and this is more for dust. So really cool, if I turn it on here with this particular head on, it's gonna have a green light. And you see, we think, what does that green light do? That green light actually highlights the dust on the floor. So if you want to see the dust, this is the head for you, because it highlights it, and it's also great at cleaning dust. Again, if you're going more for hair, and this cleans up dust as well, but this one's more specifically designed for hair and things of that nature. All right, so I've talked to you a little bit about the difference in the Shark and the Dyson. Now, comparing these 2 Dyson models, the V12 Detect Slim is going to be a little bit lighter, and they're all light in my opinion. The V15 has got a larger dust container than the others. It's going to be twice as large as the V12. It also is more powerful than the V12. Now, I think they all have plenty of power in my opinion, but if you want the most power, then this V15 Detect is more powerful than the V12. They're both rated a 60-minute runtime. The Shark, this particular Shark, is a 40-minute runtime. Both these Dyson models come with 5 attachments. I've showed you the 2 cleaning heads that come with them, but they also have like crevice tool and other smaller attachments where you'll clean out a car or under furniture and things of that nature. One final feature to show you on this particular Shark model that not all of them have. This one is made to where you can fold it right here in the middle, whether you want to use that for storage or if you just want to bend it to be able to get under a really low, tight space. Quick recap, these are very popular models. Shark 40-minute runtime. It does not hang on the wall to charge. It does fold in the middle in this particular one, and it also has a good head on it in my opinion with the silicone fins. It's great for not getting hair tangled up in it. The V12 and the V15, you're going to get a little bit more power with the V15. You got a larger dust container. The V12 is lighter than the V15, and those do come with that fluffy optic head we've shown you, as well as a head like this, as well as the smaller attachments, and you'll hang those on the wall to charge. Hope this video has been helpful in comparing these 3 popular models.